End of day 2 here in Turkmenistan in AWAZA, and it's been a long day, I can tell you that. We are here for obviously it's the second round in the PWA World Tour, and it's the first stop for the Ladies World Tour. We kicked off this morning bright and early at 6:30 with the ladies, and it was the reigning world women PWA champion Delphine Cousin who took that first elimination. She's changed sponsors this year, she's on Loft sales, and she had a really good race. In second place, a fellow Loft team rider, it was Lina Erdal from Turkey, so she took home second. And in third place, the Japanese rider Anna Yama. So that was the ladies. There is only one heat, there's 13 women in it, and we'll be getting a few of them in this week. In the men's, it was a bit of a different story. We really struggled to get through the early rounds in the men's. This morning, we only managed to get through one heat. It was touch and go. There was a few people shouting about it, and we lost one big man. We lost Bjorn Dunkerbeck. He didn't even make the start, we're hearing. So that was a big upset in the first round. Standout sailors, Julian Kentel. He didn't have a good one at the last event in Costa Brava, but he came out strong here and took that first one. Also standout sailors, Pierre Mortefont and Ross Williams. And it actually seemed to be a day for the guys that didn't do so well in Costa Brava. They came out firing. In the second heat, well, I should say, we had a big gap in the middle of the day. The wind just dropped off, it went to nothing. In the afternoon, the thermals kicked in, the wind swung around 180 degrees, and then we got through the next three early heats. In heat number 2, standout riders Cyril Musulmani, Tosselli, and young guy, youth, Jordi Vonk. They're all into the semi-finals. In the third round, it was Costa Hovel, Buzainis and Allen were the standout riders. Obviously 6 guys going through, but they were really the standout riders, looking good. And in the fourth and final heat that made it into the semi-finals, standout riders from that heat, Castell, the big man, Maynard and Cousin. But we did lose the ultimate boy, the big one, the reigning world champion. We lost Antoine Albo to a PMS in heat number 4. Like I said, we lost Dunkerbeck in the first one, and we also lost top 10 riders from the last event in Costa Brava. We lost Cedric Board from France, and we lost Josh Sangulo. So a big day. If you want to see all the results and who is in the next round, just get on the PWA website, check out the results there, and join us tomorrow for day 3. Another early start, 6:30 local time here in Turkmenistan, which is I think 4 hours from the UK time. So join us tomorrow for another long day here in Turkmenistan, AWAZA Resort.